we're still talking about privilege.
Yeah.
Replace white with English. We're still talking about privilege, right? We're still talking about systems that invisibilize that privilege so that the privileged don't resist against it either, because they just feel like it's the way the world works.
Yeah.
I have never heard in this field, and even, from most socially justice-minded people, I have never heard somebody say, well, yeah, being white is definitely a privilege in the workplace, but that's just kind of the way it is. Or being a man is definitely a privilege, but that's just sort of the way it is. Or, really only Christian holidays are recognized by most employee leave policies, but what are you going to do? That's just sort of the way it is, right? We don't throw our hands up there. We don't abdicate our responsibility. We don't cede all of that power. We say, no, it is the way it is, and that is why we're doing the job we do. We want to change that. But when it comes to language, all of a sudden, well, English is the language of international business. So much has gone into teaching people English now at this point. Wait a second. So all of this other injustice, we fight against it. Every day we fight against it. That's our literal job. We spend our time and our energy and our money learning about these things so that we can dismantle these systems. But then we point to this unjust system that happens to benefit us. Like, can't do anything about that. It's just, it's unfortunate, but it's the way things are. An attitude that we would never accept about any of the other injustices.
We would all be like, what?
Exactly.
All freaking out if it were about something else.
We'd be flipping over tables. But it comes to English and it's like, oh, well, no, I don't think so.